What up, y'all? Today we unboxing something truly special. I mean, so special I gotta take my time with it, so this is a longer video. But before we get into that, we're gonna get into this cardboard insert that was in the box to protect the box from rubbing up against the bag, because the box is really nice. Or so I thought. This is a fire Kyrie Irving holographic poster for the release of the Anta Kai 1 Artist on Court. I'm gonna frame that. So on this side, we got the Anta logo. We're gonna turn that over to the bottom, and we get these 4 points, which are strength, agility, focus, and speed. Now you might be asking how I know that. Boom, there's your key right there. On the back side, mastering your craft is a journey. And on the front side, we got a lot of action, Anta logo, Kyrie signature, some AAPI writing that I couldn't translate with Google Translate, so you tell me, and a very nice SKU picture. So let's open this up and see what you get for your $150. The unboxing experience here is super nice, very reminiscent of a quality Jordan 11 release. Another message from Kyrie here. And now we dive into $150 worth of premium Anta basketball shoe. Now it takes a second to notice a little bit of branding here. This is actually an Anta logo slid in there real nice. I like it. The shoe is mostly made up of like rubber, plastic, and some cloth in betweens for breathability. We got the recessed and rubberized new Kyrie logo on the tongue, along with some Anta hieroglyphs, also rubberized, and Kyrie Irving spelled out in hieroglyphs on the strap here, rubberized as well. Here's that strength, speed, focus, agility again, followed by a cloth toe box, which is a very nice approach to a breathable toe box. Moving on to the sole, we got a lot of interesting things. We got Anta on the heel, followed by the new Kyrie logo. And closer to the toe here, we got Elizabeth Irving, Kyrie Irving moms, followed by Anta basketball on the side. And at the front of the toe, a tiny Anta logo. And on the back, we got some action. This fire, super branded plastic feather. Look at that intricate design. Same on both sides, I had to check. And that's, of course, backed by strength, agility, focus, speed. And the symbol for speed is Kyrie's number 11. Kyrie's symbol on one side, Anta on the other side. And on the back there, I'm sorry you can't see it, it says the journey is the reward. The journey is the reward. Here's what the tag looks like in case you're curious. And in the end, I had to put these on nice because it'll probably be years before I put these on my feet. I mean, I'll probably never wear them. I did try them on though, and they are for the most part true to size, a little snug around the strap. You can wear them without laces, and hopefully one day I'll get them signed like these Kyrie 8s. The Anta Kai 1 is allegedly set to restock tomorrow, March 23rd on Kyrie's birthday, so stalk that website if you need a pair.